Hey guys, welcome to Brown Yogi. I hope you all are doing good and keeping well. So, starting with today's news, MS Dhoni retires. That is one hell of a news. We never expected that Dhoni would retire in this lockdown period, and we wish some more good news coming. But Dhoni retiring in this lockdown period is again a nail hit in the coffin. See, I'm not very good with cricket analysis, but I love cricket. I love watching cricket. I love playing cricket. I always thought that Dhoni will retire after a nice series abroad or maybe on Indian soil and then retire so that he would get the ceremonious honor that most of the players receive, being a decorated Indian captain who has led India win 3 formats in World Cup and winning them in a tremendous manner. I always thought that he would get that ceremonious farewell. But nonetheless, we love Dhoni, we always will do, and the benchmark what he has set is one hell of a record, and salute to Mr. Dhoni. So, second in the line, as always, the liberal gang, Kunal Kamra. Kunal Kamra tweets, you either retire a Dhoni or live long enough to see yourself become LK Advani. That is so shameful of you, Kunal Kamra. Have some respect for the elder guy. Mr. LK Advani led the BJP force with Mr. Atal Bihari Vajpayee from 1984, where they had only 2 seats in the parliament, two 160 seat 10 years afterwards. So that is one heck of a leadership. Respect that, Kunal Kamra. You haven't even achieved one bit of that. And with your banter and encounter with Arnab Goswami on a plane, with that cheap banter, you have the audacity to comment on Mr. LK Advani. You should think twice before commenting something like that. Mr. LK Advani was a former Home Minister of India. You are a stand-up comedian. Nonetheless, the worst of the lot, I can say. I hate your comedy, but keeping my prejudices aside, people should have their due respects and you should give them. That is what I feel. And I guess that you should learn analogy before doing stand-up comedy. I think that would bring more sense of humor into your stand-up comedy. So yeah, I wish you all the best with that. Moving on with again an embarrassing incident from all of the major news channels. They all reported that Mr. Nishikant Kamath has passed away. Well, he has not. He is still on ventilator and fighting for his life. We wish him all the best and wish him speedy recovery by that. And you all news channels, you need to verify your sources and you need to verify your news before posting. I guess the news channels in India have reached a new low with the way you are reporting these days. Anyways, I don't think so the news channels will ever apologize to these blunders, which they should. News channels have a responsibility towards their viewers, and with these kind of blunders and goof ups, you should up your game now. And now coming to the Supreme Court decision. The Supreme Court has said that the NEET JEE exam would be held in the month of September 2020. This is a shocker for most of the students because in these COVID conditions, students running to their centers giving exams, I don't know what kind of setup and administration would be there to take care of the students. I mean, I just wish that it shouldn't be the worst of nightmares and the students are being taken care of properly with all the hygiene conditions. Personally speaking, I feel that the Supreme Court's verdict is very good because if the exams are not held this year, students will lose 1 year of their career. But to counter the hygiene and administrative conditions in these examination halls or examination centers, I would suggest that a good solution will be to conduct these examinations into army campuses. So the students living near the army campuses can travel with private cars or share private vehicles or government supplied transport. And the administration and the hygiene level that the army provides is of top notch, and this can be a very good solution to the government. And I just feel that this suggestion of mine, if it is viable, reaches the government and something can be done out of it. So I wish all the students best luck. May you all do well. And with this, I end today's vlog, and I'll come soon with another vlog and some interesting news. Till then, you all stay fit, stay lucky, take care, see you soon.